Be fresh here, Banja Earth. Anything you can do for this. Little structure where you put your left here, so it's bury it. You can't do nothing for me because we don't have no love and no heart now. No love in our heart.
We love with society. We are
With
murder.
society.
We
You
love
deal with
society.
society. You deal with society. I deal with creation. You deal with society. You mix up.
We feed you.
Two
we give you
Rasta
clothes,
fight.
we give you house to live in.
Two Rasta
we give you
fight.
carpentry.
Rasta not
Bring
supposed
you
to
as
fight.
a man.
Bring what? Bring what?
Yeah, I say.
What do you mean?
Have a tape there.
You can't bring your man.
Yeah, man. What the you bring in?
Put it on
What you
YouTube.
want about?
We give you house. We
Rasta
give
is
you
a robber.
car. We give
Tell me
you
say you're a robber.
How do you?
Supposed to draw something from you now. Supposed to draw something from you now.
Draw what?
Me like man, me like long time man.
And your dad.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, we talk man.
Yo, which part with it, by the way?
Nice content with them man.
All right.
Where you have the eye?
Kill them.
Where you have the eye?
Don't know.
Where you have the eye? What do you
You
have
can't
the
kill them too.
I cannot
Come girl. Video where we are so
Go on here, so girl. You mix up, man. You're not a Rasta, man. Yeah, you get the brainwash education.
Hold on, me a come, hold on.
You're not dealing with no brainwash education. You're dealing with Jah the Almighty. How you don't have no heart? You don't have no love, no heart. You know dead.
Come, see princess lady here.
All right.
What
you say?
Patrick.
Rasta man is dirty. Rasta man live
All right, all
Rasta
right.
man up there. I borrow. What you want?
And them have them two Rasta here cuss over here, so.
Yes, link them to me. Yes, we see. Yes, see them there.
$1 million.
That's it. It's marvelous, man. Any?
Yeah, zoom in.
Sugar, come back here so I can picture with the two girls.
So you're a robber.
Give me a picture with them two girls.
Come here. You're a robber. You're one of the rascals.